What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our new LED license plate lights for your 2019 and newer Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500. Let's get into it.
Our LED license plate lights for your Silverado and Sierra are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be significantly brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable, waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple things to note before we get into the install. This procedure is for 2019 and newer model Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
Alright guys, so the first step on installing our license plate lights is going to be locating them. They're located here and here on the rear bumper. But to actually get access to them, we're going to need to pop under there and show you how to take them out. Right here is your license plate light. It's going to be behind the bumper, right by the tow hitch. There's going to be a 7mm bolt you're going to have to remove the light. With the bolt removed, we can go ahead and grab on the lower portion of the light, release it from the tab, and then pull it out. With the light now removed from the bumper, we're going to create some extra space. We're going to grab the harness for the light on each side of the clip, and we're just going to pull the disengager from the bumper and then bring it out where we have room to work with it. We're now going to grab the back of the light, the actual socket. We're going to turn it counterclockwise to detach the housing from the socket. Now we're going to grab the bulb, pop it out of the socket. And since we're working on the passenger side, we're going to grab the new Boost Auto LED license plate marked R for right or the passenger side. We're now going to take our new Boost Auto LED license plate light and we're going to plug the connector into the bulb socket. Doesn't matter which way you plug it into because our lights are not polarity dependent. So now, with the plugged in, we're going to feed the wires back into the housing and we're going to line up the tabs on the sockets with the LED license plate light housing, and then we're going to twist to lock it in place.
Now feed the license plate light and harness back up into the bumper.
Alright guys, so just to reinstall the license plate light, we have to notch in that upper tab on the bumper and then line up this bottom hole with that clip.
Now reinstall the 7mm bolt.
And last but not least, we just have to take that clip that we removed earlier and reinstall that. And once that harness is pushed back in place, all we have to do is repeat this on the other side. And that wraps up our install. With your new license plate lights installed, your truck's gonna be looking good. If you want to check out some other cool looking products, check out our website at boostauto.com. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you in the next one.